Hello everyone again. I've got a video, just a really quick video today, a bit of a fun one, and I thought I would show you how I clone myself and make my AI clone speak. Or sometimes it's called an AI avatar. So just a bit of fun in case you wondered how you do this. So I use Galaxy.ai, Galaxy.ai. There are many different ones that you can use. But Galaxy.ai brings together a lot of different AI generators in one place. And you work with credits. You sort of have credits, and it's not really very expensive, or not for what I use it for, because I only use it for my video introductions, and they're usually, just a few seconds long. So what I did was I took some photos of myself, and when you come to Galaxy.ai, Galaxy.ai, just sign up. You can sign up for free, and then when you come in, you can go to, on the left hand side here, you can go to AI talking photo. That's the one that you want, talking photo. Reload, hang on, there we go. So I'm going to upload files, and I'm going to choose the avatar of myself that I've created here. So it was a photo of myself, but I've gone into AI. I think I used Artistly in its character creation, and I just asked it, to create a realistic photo of me, wearing what I'm wearing, the denim jacket, and then it's got me in different scenes, sitting at a desk and so forth. So they're not all the same. So this is one of them. That should upload in a second. There we go, done. And then you can choose a model. So as I said, it's got all these built-in models. Now, Kling and HeyGen, I think HeyGen is one of the best for doing these talking videos, and Hedra is pretty good too. So I'm going to go, I think I'm going to go HeyGen for this one. And depending on which one you use, it's going to cost you a different amount of credits. Now, for the voice, you can go in and you can choose a voice, or you can clone your own voice. So the voice library, it's got English, it's got Australian, it's got all different languages. So you can choose male, female. We've got Donald Trump here. Let's just listen to that one.
There is no better AI platform than Galaxy.
I don't think I want that one. Joe Biden.
There's no better AI platform out there than Galaxy.ai.
No, don't want that one either.
There's no better AI platform out there than Galaxy.
Okay, let's. Well, it's even got Joe Rogan. Oh, what about Gordon Ramsay?
There's no better AI platform out there than Galaxy.ai. There's no better AI platform out there than Galaxy.ai.
Oh, okay. Well, sorry about that. I got a bit sidetracked. So you can go in and you can choose your voices. You can search. We've got filters, language, gender, age, use case, description, accent. Let me see if I can go female, maybe middle-aged, and Accent, I want Australian. Let's see what we get. So this is the only one here.
The scheduling tool is based on Microsoft Project Online and enables project and program teams to easily plan and monitor their projects.
Family. Yeah, so she's got a really nice voice if you didn't want to use your own voice. So what I've done is cloned my own voice. So you just come into clone, voice clone, and then you would upload a sample of your voice. Now the first time that I did it, it actually gave me a British accent. So I thought, no, I don't sound, I was born in England, but I was brought up in Australia, so I have an Australian accent. So I didn't like the first one, so I did it again, and it's given me
long video, Granny Knows AI design tutorial.
Yeah, it's given me an Australian accent in this one, so I'm using that one. Now the text, you just put in the text that you want it to speak. So putting that in for my introduction. And then first you would go generate audio, but you can upload the audio. You might have already recorded it. You can record it right from here. Okay, so I'm going to go generate audio first of all. So it's going to go ahead and generate that. Sure if I can. Oh, yeah, there we go. It's ready.
AI can create junk journal designs, but most of them don't sell. In this tutorial, I'm showing you the exact system I use to guide AI through style, color, and theme decisions first, so the designs come out cohesive, printable, and Etsy ready from the start. Let me show you how it works.
Right. So you heard that right. It's actually given me an English accent again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Hedra. Just see, because I chose the right voice. It definitely had an Australian accent, but it seems to get Australian and English mixed up a little bit. Let's just try again with Hedra. Not that it really worries me. I mean, at least it's not American. I mean, not that I don't like the American accent. I do. I love it. But I mean, Australian's very different to American, isn't it?
AI can create junk journal designs, but most of them don't sell. In this tutorial, I'm showing you the exact...
Okay, that's more... Okay, so I've used Hedra, just for your reference. I think that's done a better job. So now I can hit generate. If I want to download this, I can too. It takes a little while. I did my last one 19 days ago. It's been a while, isn't it, since I put a video up. Okay, so this will take a little while, but I'll show you around Galaxy.ai. So you've also got image generators in here. Okay, so I think it's well worth joining if you use a lot of AI, like I do, for instance. I mean, you can come in here and use ChatGPT. You can create your own custom GPTs. They actually have custom GPTs in here. You know, voice cloners, photo studio, chat, lip sync, image editor, talking photo, image generator. So you could create your printables or your digitals and your things in here, clip art, etc. And I'll do as I said, I'll do a tutorial with me using this. So you've got Nano Banana, GPT, Midjourneys I actually really like, Imogen, Runway, Seed Dream, Reeve, Kling, Flux. You've got lots. Ideogram is another good one. Another good one is Leonardo. So you've got all these, Recraft. I actually used to be subscribed to Recraft, but I think if I can actually just use it through OpenAI, what's it called? Galaxy.ai, that's probably a good way to go. Let me go back to my talking photo. I hope it didn't stop it by changing the screen there. Yeah, it's still processing, 2 minutes ago. Let's have a look. Yep, still processing. So we have, yeah, image generator, video generator, talking photo, lip sync, image editor, and then your normal AI chat. You've got all the different AI models that you can chat with as well, such as ChatGPT, Claude, DeepSeek, you know, all the common ones. YouTube summarizer, so you can summarize your YouTube video, headshot generator, an app builder, music generator, and as I showed you, the voice cloner. So yeah, it's quite a good thing here. So let's have a look.
AI can create junk journal designs, but most of them don't sell. In this tutorial, I'm showing you the exact system I use to guide AI through style, color, and theme decisions first, so the designs come out cohesive, printable, and Etsy ready from the start. Let me show you how it works.
Okay. So no, I think that's okay. I kind of think the head movements are a bit over the top, you know what I mean? But, you know, it's just a bit of fun for me. So I like to do my introductions like that. I don't really like being on camera. I'm kind of camera shy. So I just thought this would be a good way for me to do it. Plus it's using AI, and my channel is about AI, right? So I'm going to save this to my videos. Right, so I'm going to intro. Okay, there we go. We just save it, and I'm going to add this probably into, I'll take it into Canva, and I will add it into my thumbnail that I create, so that when you first look at the video, you'll see the thumbnail. I think I've done another video like that, and then I'll be talking in my thumbnail. So that's how I'll do this one, but I do them all a little bit different. So anyway, that was just a really, really quick video. I hope, you know, you were interested in that. And yep, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks guys, bye bye.